Hi, I'm Katie from WTI, and I have a bit of a dilemma. See, I got this poster from Haus and Hues for my kids' bathroom to hang behind the toilet, and I absolutely love it. I love how clear the lettering is. It's not blurry at all. It has nice, clean, crisp lines, which is something that I really appreciate. Their bathroom is very whimsical, as you can see, and so this fits right in. Plus, I have a boy, and cleaning up after himself, it's kind of a big deal. I kind of need him to do that. So I thought, how fitting to have this poster in the kids' bathroom. The only thing is, should I hang it here? Or does it belong in my main level bathroom? Because it goes great with the modern decor in this bathroom as well. I really can't decide, and I may just end up buying one for each bathroom because I definitely want to remind my guests to clean up after themselves and my kids. And that's just my point of view.